Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying the Ga4 property and that you have editor or analyst access. This matters because you need to change configuration and save reports. Once done, open Reports Library or go to Explore to pick a template. Templates speed the process. Make sure to set your date range and add a primary dimension right away so the data pulls correctly. This anchors your metrics and prevents reruns later. You now build the core of the report by choosing metrics, events, users, sessions, conversions, and include any custom metrics you created. Then apply filters and segments. Combine and/or logic to isolate the cohort you care about because precise filters remove noise. Once those are set, add secondary dimensions and pick a visualization, table, line, or bar, to reveal patterns. Make sure comparisons are active so you can see trends side by side. You finish by cleaning up. Rename headers, add explanatory notes, choose a default date range, and save the report or publish it to the library. Then share via link, export CSV or PDF, or schedule automated emails. Adjust viewer permissions so recipients can access data. If numbers look wrong, immediately check event tagging and tag firing in debug view, confirm the correct data stream and measurement ID, and verify your permission level so you can see the dataset.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.